Hold on, I had to start over, man. This stupid iPhone. Alright, come on. Look, go all the way through. Go all the way around. Then you get around, I'll lower the drawbridge for you. Huh? He's awake. Are you letting me driving? Oh, he's going through the dark tunnel. Will he come out? Oh, the cat's attacking. Oh, he survived. Alright, come on. Oh, he's about to crash with James. Push. No, stop pushing one more time. He'll roll down the hill. Make Victor push him one more time and he'll roll down the hill.
No.
Use the remote control. Are you going to leave Victor there the whole time?
No.
Okay. I mean, James, you going to leave James there the whole time? Let's throw some of these other trains on there. Mix it up a little bit. Let's have some train wrecks, man. Let's have some train wrecks. I'm going to put him on here. Who is this? Salty. We're going to get Salty on here. We're going to have some. Hold on. Oh, okay, I got it. Hold on. Let me see. What's going on? Oh, you mean lower the bridge? You ready? Uh-oh. There it goes. Man, Victor's struggling. Alright, we got Salty going. Uh-oh. Thomas, start your engine up, Thomas. Hurry. There he goes. Uh-oh. Oh, it's right. We're about to have a major crash. Better go that way. Oh, never mind. You gotta back up all the way now. Yep. We're about to have a crash right over here. You mean flip the track so you can go back that way? Huh? Alright. Well, you should have went when I flipped the track, man. There you go.